Hello, I'm ETarte, math teacher. I have a math challenge for you with valuable prizes available. Undoubtedly, the most important formula in math is the Pythagorean equation. It's about the three side lengths of a right triangle. If A and B are the lengths of the legs, that is the two sides that form the right angle, and C is the length of the third side, known as the hypotenuse, then the Pythagorean equation states that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, meaning a times a plus b times b equals c times c. A Pythagorean triple is by definition a set of three counting numbers that satisfy the Pythagorean equation. There are infinitely many Pythagorean triples. The best known Pythagorean triple is 3, 4, 5. Those are the three smallest counting numbers that satisfy the Pythagorean equation. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. That is 9 plus 16 equals 25. That means if you have a triangle with side lengths 3, 4, and 5, it is a right triangle. Well, this challenge is about a family of Pythagorean triples. The first member of that family is 3, 4, 5, and I write it this way. I first write the even number 4, and it somehow generates the other two numbers, 3 and 5. So here's how I show this family. It is generated by consecutive even numbers, starting with 4. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and so on. And alongside each of these even numbers, I have put the two numbers that even number generates, such as 6, 8, 10, 8, 15, 17, 10, 24, 26, and so on. It can be shown that each of these satisfies the Pythagorean equation. For example, take 12, 35, 37. We have 12 squared plus 35 squared. We will compare it with 37 squared. 12 squared plus 35 squared is 144 plus 1,225. Those add up to 1,369. 37 squared is 1,369. So 12 squared plus 35 squared does equal 37 squared. So that is a Pythagorean triple. And that's true of all these groups of three numbers that I've listed here. And please understand that this listing goes on indefinitely. Well, there are two parts to your challenge. The first part is to find the pattern that exists in this list of Pythagorean triples. How does each even number generate the two numbers that go with it? And the second part of your challenge is show algebraically why this sequence of groups of three numbers all satisfy the Pythagorean equation a squared plus b squared equals c squared. If you can respond to that challenge correctly and can message me your response and are correct on your first try, you can have a prize if you want it. The prize that I offer is very valuable if you're interested in this sort of thing. It is a 48-hour pass to the Berlin Philharmonic Orchestra's Digital Concert Hall. If you need to find out more about this prize, you can visit the Digital Concert Hall's website. You can Google Digital Concert Hall and find it very easily. There can be multiple prizes. In any event, I hope that if you work on this challenge, it will give you mental stimulation and pleasure. Thank you for watching this video.